Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix your Chevron app not working. So if you're currently having that exact problem, well, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly, you're going to just close your Chevron app and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app, and it doesn't matter, by the way, if you're using an iPhone or if you're using an Android, it's going to be the exact same steps, just so you know. So we're just going to scroll down, click on general, and then click on storage. And the same goes if you have an Android. Just find the storage settings on your Android. It should be also in your settings, of course, and then if you can search for it, just search for storage. If you can't, well then try to find something that says general maybe on your Android, and then scroll down and also click on storage. And now you might be taken to a similar page to this. Now we're just going to scroll down in here and find the Chevron app. I think it's actually, for some reason, it's way down here, I think, if I remember it correctly. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down, and here it is. So I'm going to click on Chevron, and then I'm going to click on Upload App, and then once again I'm going to click on Upload App in here, as you can see. Then click on the blue button here once again. Wait a couple of seconds for your app to be able to actually get the newest update, as you can see. So I'm just going to close, and as you can see, it says loading right now on the app, and that means that the app itself is now automatically updating to the newest version. So this is actually what you need to do. Basically, you need to update the app to the newest version, and then you can go back into the app itself. And I hope that it now works for you, as this was able to actually fix my problem.